sheesh. You know, I know they think it's okay to use the N-word on everybody, but you know what? It's not. It is not, and I'm so fucking sick of that word. And this, and that, oh boy. Sheesh. Like, dude, shut up. You're gonna be talking trash like that. Sheesh. Almost to hear fucking inappropriateness, public or private. Sheesh. Oh. Oh, my mask, my stupid mask. Oh. Oh, I guess I can put these in the... Yeah. Probably here. Oh, just enough. Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, that's okay. I can put this right here. Put down. Yeah, they were doing videos, so. Yeah, oh no. Getting bitch, damn it, them fucking language, you know, sheesh. Bitch. You know, I'm not black, so don't ever call me the N-word, because I am not. I'm not one of you people, you know. Not one of you, will never be. You know, they can call other people whatever they fucking want. You know, within their fucking group of thugs. I'm not taking it anymore. Respect is respect. If you know, starts at home. Always starts at home, but you know, their thug parents don't fucking teach them respect. Yeah, they don't teach their kids to respect others. Sadly, very sad indeed. Okay, I need to put this somewhere safe. So, well, I guess I can. Yeah, I can use it for my mask. I think. I have to wear a mask when I go to that stupid. I don't know. Okay. Okay, it's empty. Okay. I'll figure it out. I just need to put everything in here anyway. Okay. Well, looks bigger. It's really not, but damn. Okay, I can't really like the blue one, but okay. Well, he needs to fucking slow down. This fucking people. I hate people living here. Sheesh, I don't drive like that. I don't know why they do. Yeah, a bunch of sickos driving through here. Goes another sicko.